Okay. Now we'll discuss about concave meniscus and convex meniscus. Okay. Meniscus means, first of all, you have to understand the meaning of meniscus. Meniscus is the shape. Okay. Meniscus is the shape of a liquid surface. Okay. Shape of a liquid surface inside the measuring cylinder or glass tube. Okay. While we are measuring the shape of the liquid, what type of shape the liquid form on that container? On that container, it can be measuring cylinder or glass tube. That is known as meniscus. It is known as meniscus. Meniscus means just the shape of the liquid surface, shape of the liquid surface in which we keep that uh, liquid. Okay, in which container we keep that liquid. On that liquid, on that container, what type of shape the surface of the liquid make, that is known as its meniscus. Okay, you can see in the picture also. Yes, here you can see some is some so from the concave meniscus and some are forming the convex meniscus. Okay, concave meniscus and convex meniscus. Okay, and water, why you can see here, water left downward curving meniscus and mercury right upward curving meniscus. Yes, it was slightly upward curving, and this water left, it was slightly downward curving. Okay, downward it is curving. Okay, and you can see a difference between that concave meniscus and convex meniscus. Okay, the shape of a liquid surface, the shape of a liquid surface in which the center is more depressed. Okay, the shape of a liquid surface in which the center is more depressed. Okay, center is more depressed than the side, it's called concave meniscus. If the center is more depressed, okay, it form the downward curve. Okay, it form downward curve, then that is known as concave meniscus. Center is more depressed, center is more depressed. Okay, and the shape of a liquid surface in which the center is raised. Okay, the center is raised and side are depressed. Side are depressed. Okay, just like this. Okay, side are depressed, center is raised. Here is center is more depressed. Okay, if you form, that is concave, and if opposite of you like that structure form, that is convex. Okay, convex meniscus. Okay, and it weight the wall of the container. Okay, it weight the wall of the container. It weight the wall of the container. It weight the wall of the container because it touches the, it is more depressed at the center, so it touches the wall more, so it weight the wall of the container. Whereas it does not weight the wall of the container. It does not weight the wall of the container. And here, while we are taking the measurement or reading of that concave, as concave meniscus type of that liquid, then we have to take the reading from the lower meniscus. Okay, lower meniscus, reading is taken from the lower meniscus, reading is taken from the lower meniscus. Whereas in convex meniscus, reading is taken from the upper meniscus, reading is taken from the upper meniscus. Okay, in convex, reading is taken from upper meniscus. Okay, upper meniscus raising that center part, and in that convex meniscus we take the reading from the lower part. Okay, we take the reading from the lower meniscus. In example of concave meniscus are water and alcohol, they form concave meniscus. And meaning of that convex meniscus is mercury, is mercury, is mercury. Reading. Okay, in this picture you can see how we can take the correct reading. If you take the reading, okay, from a downward side, okay, more downward side, you will get the higher reading. Okay, higher reading. And if you take from the upper side, as more upper side, then you will get the lower reading. Okay, then you will get the lower reading. So you have to put your eyes parallel to that meniscus. Yes, this is a concave meniscus, so you have to take the reading from the lower meniscus. You have to take the reading from the lower meniscus. Okay, here also you can see the meniscus formed by the mercury and the meniscus formed by the water. And while measuring the reading, or while taking the reading of that water, we take from the reading from the lower meniscus because it is a concave meniscus. It forms the concave meniscus. Whereas while taking the reading of mercury, we take the reading from the upper meniscus because it forms the convex meniscus. It forms the convex meniscus.